Welcome once again. You're watching English with Akram, and there is debate once again. And topic of the debate is, can money buy happiness? First, I would like to call Rimsh.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Muhammad Ishan, and today we are debating here on a supercalifragilisticexpialidocious topic, and the topic is concerned happiness. That can money buy happiness or not? In my personal point of view, it can never buy happiness, not at all. It's possible. First of all, I would like to tell her, as they are talking about the things that money can buy happiness, means when a person is happy, when a person has happiness, when he has good memories, when he has a good time, when he has good families, and when he has a good relationship, as you all are talking about. So first of all, let's start with the relationship. I just want to ask, how money can give you a good relationship?
For example, you have a lot of money, you can see at this time everyone wants his partner rich. At this time everyone wants this.
Listen.
So because of this we can
So at that moment, I would like to say that if there is a girl who is going to a boy who is rich, so she is not going wholeheartedly. She is going to that person just because of that money. And if in a future the boy has not money, he becomes pauper, then at that time she is going to leave that person and she will be with someone else. But if you are at lowest, you do not have money, but you have a person who loves you, who cares you, who supports you, you have a good partner who is supporting you at your lowest, then there are chances you can be at your highest, and that's the real happiness. First. Second thing, friendship. We will have a lot of friends, we will have respect. That's not the respect. That again, I would say people are coming to you just because of your money. They don't have any respect for you. They just want their works to be done by you, or they are just mean people. I would say this: the real friends are those, like, we do not have money today. I don't have money, I have friends. Even I don't have my own brother, but I would say that I have gotten brothers from another mother, and they are great. While we are not rich today. We do not visit the malls, we do not go to the shopping, we do not go to eat in McDonald's, in pizza and all. So I would say, at least we have a time, whenever we are together, we spend time together, we are happy, we talk to each other, and there is good bond among us. That's the real friendship. Next thing, memories and time. Someone was saying that money can buy everything. I think Sabah was mentioning, yes, we can buy the things that give us happiness. How? Like, suppose there is a father whose son has died in a car accident, and he will be happy when he will see his son around him. Can he buy that son again with the help of money? Obviously not. So at that time, memories will play
But
a great
brother,
role
with
to
the
give
help
you the
of
happiness.
money?
Wait, it's my turn. And as you all are giving us motivation after coming here, yes, money can buy you the happiness.
It's
If you have
reality.
money, you will have a luxurious home. Fabia's sister mentioned, you will have a luxurious house, you will have a luxurious car, there will be servants among you. Then what? We will have servants, then what is the benefit of that? That I am taking drugs, or my there is not good relationship in my whole family, there is not love between among the family members. I have many houses, I have many cars, but there is not good bond among the family members. Fights keep on taking place. Instead of this, another family is better, who is eating chutney and roti daily. They are not having korma daily, they are not going to visit the world daily, or they are not having the world tours, but at least they are happy, there is peace, they are satisfied with their family. They are earning less,
So
but
brother,
that's
let
good, they
me,
are happy in
can
their
you
life.
give me answer to me? How you can judge a person with the from her face, that on his
Then how
face,
can you
on his
listen,
face there is
listen.
smile, and with the help of her smile you can say that he is happy. How you can judge?
Then how can
he
you
is,
claim?
he is eating
Listen. How can you claim, or how can you just judge a person by the virtue of money that he is happy or not? If there is a person who is visiting in Rolls Royce, he has G wagon, a lot of cars he has a luxurious house, then according to you, he is happy. He is the happiest person in the world. It's not. It's not like that.
We
sister.
can judge.
Next
Easily
thing.
we can judge.
Next thing. Listen.
Because
Okay, you speak.
do you know, sister? Do you know, brother? Do you know, brother? Sir is laughing now. Sir is watching us, and sir is laughing. Do you know the feeling? Do you know the in the heart of our sir is happy or not? Do you know?
Yes, he is very happy. See.
See, he is very happy.
Okay, I would like to answer to Rimsha's sister. She mentioned that if cannot buy you the happiness, then why a bride family sees a person, sees a boy, and asks to the groom that are you earning or not? Means do you have money or not? Are you financially dependent or not? Sister, I would like to say at that moment also, money is not everything, and all the parents are not like that, that they want a boy for their daughter who is rich. No. And there I can say that there will be no father, there will be no mother who will be thinking that my daughter should marry a guy who is rich, but he is physically disabled or he has a mentality disorder. There is no one. On the other hand, they will think that, yeah, the boy can have less money, the boy can be poor also, but at least they will live peacefully, at least he will protect our daughter, at least he will love our daughter. They are going to see this, not the money at that moment. Next thing, as they are thinking that money can buy you the happiness, sister, just before a while Sophia also mentioned a lot of names that they are richest in their areas, in their countries. Then why they don't live with their wives? The Hardik Pandya, the great player, his wife gave divorce to him.
So
Why?
listen to
When he
me.
has a lot of
Listen
money, he's a
to
good
me.
player,
Why
he's a
people
respect,
are
he's a
running
fame,
off-
he's a name. Why his wife gave divorce to him? Money cannot buy
So
the
can you
happiness.
give me answer why all of the people are running after the money? Why people are running after the money?
Okay, you tell me one thing first.
Yeah, I will tell. First of
You
all, you tell
listen.
that why people are running after the
Because
money.
it is a need. Then next
It's
thing I would
just
like to
need.
ask.
It's just
Next thing I
need.
would like to ask that what is the benefit of that money that I am earning for my family? Okay, I have to earn for my family. I want my family to live peacefully, to live happily. Then I would ask, what is the benefit of that money that I am living far from my family? I cannot meet my parents. I cannot see my parents daily. And if
At
may
this
Allah
time,
forbid
we
that,
have technology with
if
the help
something
of
wrong, if something wrong takes place, I will have to travel a long distance. What is the benefit of that money instead of that a load of money? That is better that I am earning 20,000 rupees per month, but I am living with my parents.
But
I am
with the
caring
help,
about my
but with
parents.
the help of that money, your family members will be not happy because they will be unable to complete their desires. When you will be far from them and you will be earning a lot of money, they will be happy because
Listen.
they can video call you. They can see you on video call. But they need money. Everyone needs money. Everyone don't need our what we call.
Okay, just last, sir. Just last. She's talking about you can do the video call. Then when we can do the video call to the people, when we have this much technology, then you said about the culture, we will go to the Turkey, we will follow their culture, we'll learn. So then why don't you have YouTube, you have internet, go and search about, learn about their culture, you can learn
But
from
I
there
want to
also.
live there.
Next thing,
But I want to
just
live
last
there.
I would say to all the people who are sitting here, go to your mother or go to your father and ask, you will be paid unlimited, but I will not be surviving in this world. They are going to say that don't earn much, don't complete our dreams, don't give us car, don't give us luxury life, but you should be alive. And that's the reality, that if there is a person who is
not a-
alive, he is happy.